Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to make a public JSON API in PHP. Let's get started. This is the HTML file. I have included the jQuery file. Some CSS for the loader. We will append our data inside this div. This is the loader div. At the bottom, I have included function.js file. This is the function.js file. And this the api.php file. Here I have a database name php_test and a products table in it. We will get these products name in our API. Now let's connect the database first. After this, let's send our JSON request to the api.php for the data we needed. Create variable function name. It will be the function in the api.php file. Now create loader functions for showing and hiding loader before and after JSON request. Create the main function for sending API request. Show loader here. Then send a request for the api.php file with JSON. In the request URL, add the function and JSON callback parameters. Now go to the api.php file. Check if your function variable is set. Function variable will carry the function name that we will create here and then call it. Create the function with the same name that you have set in your JS file inside the function name variable. Like I am creating getProducts function. Now let's get data from the database. We need this data in an array, so let's create an array named data and store all the data inside it. Check the data via printing, if it's okay or not. Data is good. Now for sending this with the API, we need to encode this to JSON. And then echo all the data inside the JSON callback parameter. Now execute this function. First, we will check if the function exists. Remember $_get function value is get products that we have set in the JS file. This way you don't need to write your function manually. This will be very useful when you have multiple functions here. Now check it in the HTML file, if it's working. We have to call this function. I have written the JSON spelling wrong. It's working now. Hide the loader after request complete. Let's append this data inside the div. If you want to add every name inside a separate div, you can also do that. You have to use each function and store every value inside an array. Then append this into the data div. You can see here every name has its own div. Now you can style these with CSS. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.